Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Rubble from Paw Patrol. Let's start drawing first. I draw Rubble's eyes and his eyebrow. Then I draw his little nose. Can you wiggle your nose like Rubble? Next is his big smiling mouth. He looks ready for an adventure, doesn't he? Now I draw his face, then his hat and his two ears. Do you remember what color Rubble's hat is? We'll find out soon. Draw the rescue team edge. Every pup has one. Then I draw his necklace. What do you think Rubble keeps in his backpack? Tools or treats? Let's draw his body and his uniform suit. Now I draw his strong little legs, and don't forget his backpack, it's right on his back. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring, starting with gray and black for some details. Then I color his hat bright yellow. That's Rubble's favorite color. Can you say yellow? His backpack is yellow too, and his shirt matches the hat and backpack. Then I use dark yellow to color this part of his face. And I color his legs. What sound do bulldogs make? Can you bark like Rubble? Ruff, ruff. Now I use brown dot dot dot. Then cream for the rest of his face and body. A bit more gray dot 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 and some black to finish the look. Wow, Rubble looks amazing! You did a fantastic job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!